Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making cream cheese flan. And these are all the ingredients that you're going to need. So let's get started. So now we're going to start off by making our caramel sauce. And I'm going to use 1 cup of sugar, and I'm not going to add any water to this. I'm not going to add any spoons or stir it. I'm just going to jiggle the pot a little bit around just to move the sugar around. And make sure that you don't have the flame up too high. I have my flame at medium low so that I won't burn the caramel sauce. Once your caramel is melted and nice and brown, then you're going to remove it from the stove and you're going to quickly add it to your mold, because if you wait too long, it will harden up and you're not going to be able to pour it. Now I'm adding 5 eggs to the bowl, and then I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. So now my cream cheese is ready. It's been sitting out at room temperature and it's easy to mix. I'm going to add my milk to this, so about a cup of milk to this. And if you have a blender, by all means use it. The reason why I'm not using mine is because I'm trying to be very quiet and not make too much noise in my house this morning. Now I'm going to mix everything together and I'm going to pour it through a strainer so that I can remove any residual eggs or any residual cream cheese. So now I'm going to make a water bath for my flan. I'm going to add some water halfway up the bowl, and I'm going to cover it with aluminum foil so that it doesn't burn. So I'm using a really deep baking dish. So I'm going to have to bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour and a half. I might have to even bake it a little longer than that. If you have a regular cake pan, it won't take you that long. It's probably going to take you about an hour. So just to give you a heads up. So now an hour and a half has passed. So I'm going to check my flan to see if it's ready. And I'm going to check it by using a toothpick. If it's dry, then I'm going to take it out the oven and prepare for the next step. So now I'm using a spatula just to loosen the edges. If you have a knife, you can also do the same thing. And this just makes it a lot easier to unmold when you get ready to flip it the next day. If by any chance you need to have the flan ready sooner, you can refrigerate it up to 6 hours. So now you want to put a plate over top of your baking dish and you want to flip the flan very carefully. And the best way to enjoy this is to drizzle some caramel sauce over top of it and enjoy. You can add whipped cream if you want also, and either way you eat it, it's delicious. As you can see, it's really creamy and soft in texture. Well, my friends, it's time for me to go. I want to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell on the side. And before you go, I have a new YouTube store. Be sure and check it out. You may find something that you might like over there. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.